All right, guys, yo, what's up? In this video, we're going to talk about the Merch by Amazon tier system. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the Merch by Amazon tier system. Give you a quick introduction of who I am. I have sold over 150K in royalties on Merch by Amazon. I know a little bit about Merch by Amazon. I've been crushing it, and it's making a consistent income for me over the last 3 years. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys have any questions, please ask them down below because I will be replying to every single one of them, right? Yo, so as I promised, I was gonna do a giveaway for this video right here, a 30-minute coaching call. You had to get the video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe and notification bell and leave a comment. So I'm going to, and of course, watch to the end, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pick a winner for this one. We are going to come over here, enter the URL, scroll down, get the comments, and boom, get the comments. Boom, 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 boom. And then we got 22 unique commenters, and then start. And the winner is Hi Julie. So the winner is Hi Julie. So where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Right here. So Hi Julie. So you're the winner of the 30-minute coaching call. If you can please reach out to me on either one of the videos, send me an email, message me on social media, whatever way you can get a hold of me. Message me on social media. Or even or if you're watching this, leave a comment, and then I'll message you. We'll get in contact, and we'll do a 30-minute coaching call. All right. So congratulations, you are the winner. All right. So after the end of this video, you guys have a better understanding of what the Merch by Amazon tier system is, how to get out of the lower tiers, right, and most importantly, how to make money, right? Because this can be a roadblock for you, right? And I want you guys to not see it as a roadblock. I want you to basically just outgrow this part. And a lot of people have a lot of trouble when it comes to getting out of the lower tiers. Very important that you guys understand everything in this video, so you want to watch it to the very end. All right, so if you guys so with Merch by Amazon, if you guys are new and you guys haven't got accepted yet, I do have a video that you guys want to watch up here after this one, and it's just basically goes over how to get accepted and stuff like that. So if you haven't gotten accepted into Merch by Amazon, you definitely want to watch that video up there. All right, so what is the tier system? Me personally, myself, I'm at a 100K tier, but I did start off like everyone else. I think it was at the time was at tier 25, I believe. And then I've ended up making sales to surpass that and tier up to the level that I'm at right now. I have 50K in all-time products sold, but recently what Merch by Amazon did was give us a boost, right? I was expecting to be tiered up to 60K, but I went from 50K tier all the way up to 100K tier recently. And that was really amazing, really awesome that they did that for us. And because they added new marketplaces, so they basically opened up more space for us to upload products, and that's really, really cool. So that is a huge thing that they just did for us recently. That's really big. All right, so how the tiers work. So it goes from tier 10, tier 25, tier 100, tier 500, tier 1000. I think it goes tier 2000, and you guys get the point, right? So on and so forth. And I'm at 100K, so I kind of lost track of it right there. But the very beginning stages, right? It's so important that you guys understand this. I know a lot of people come into this and they just think that they're gonna upload a ton of designs at the very beginning, and that's not how it works. This is why Amazon puts this in place, because they want you to kind of see it as like a reward, right? So as you upload new designs, you get rewarded. You get more slots, more opportunity to make more money. What you want to do, one of the most important things when leveling up, you do not want to focus on profit at the beginning, right? Why is this? Because at the very beginning, let's say you're at tier 25, right? Or tier 10, tier 25, tier 10. And the goal is to have, at tier 10, you want to have 20 sales and 80% of the uploads live. So basically, you're going to have, you want to have double of what you have, okay? And that's not, the rule is okay, that's my rule, personally my rule. We want to focus on the double amount of sales. So if we're at tier 10, we want 20 sales. But if you want to tier up, you want to focus on getting over 10 sales. So 10 sales, 12 sales, 13 sales, and you can tier up with 8 live designs, right? But me personally, me making this video, I want you to have, instead of 10 sales, 12 sales, I want you to have 20 sales, okay? And then of course you have to have 8 live designs, so 80% of whatever tier level you're at. As you tier up, okay, this is very important. As you tier up, you're gonna get more design room, and more design room means more opportunity for you to make more money. So at first, focus on doubling your sales, okay? Like I said, so this is very important. Don't focus on profit. Also, to focus on one product. We want to just focus on one product. What's that going to do for you? It just, so standard t-shirts, right? My personal account, I sell 92% of my account, right, is standard t-shirts. I just made a sale right there if you didn't hear that. Standard t-shirts. So focus on standard t-shirts. Take my advice on this, okay? Take my word. Focus on standard t-shirts, and you want to put them at cost. You do not want to make no profit at all. This will increase your sales, okay? And I know this from my account, at higher tier, I put prices really low sometimes, and they'll make double the amount of sales. Now, when I put them higher, at like $19.99 for a standard t-shirt, they do make they don't make the same amount of sales, but basically you'll make more sales when you price lower because you'll sell more volume, right? You won't make as much money, but you'll make more volume in sales. And that's the key to start getting more sales, so you don't have to worry about being stuck at the lower tiers, because it does suck when you have awesome designs and you can't upload them, right? And you have to, you're trying to figure out, okay, what the heck can I do? There's nothing you can do because you don't have the sales. So that's why I say price really low at the very beginning, and then as you go and you start to dive into new niches, you can price at $19.99. That's exactly what I'm doing right now, but it's because I have more room, I have more design room. I'm at 100K tier. I can upload a ton of designs, right? And it's important that you understand that, right? So it's all a mindset thing. But now there's another scenario that we can kind of dive into too as well. But we're chasing long-term growth, right? Long-term growth. And that's so important, okay? As you're making really good quality designs. Now, it's like, what's a good quality design? Because simple does sell. So don't overthink this process, right? It's important that you don't overthink that neither. If you're new into a niche, you will make a sale, right? But you have to understand there's some keywords that you have to understand. A keyword, like if you understand your keywords and how you're driving your traffic to your listing, and you're the first one there, you will make sales. It's literally that simple. I've done it plenty of times, right? And I know other people have done it plenty of times too as well. So it just, you have to understand what you're doing, and that's so important. At the very beginning, learning the algorithm, right, to make your first sale is so important. And then you rinse and repeat that process into every single niche that you dive into, okay? If you understand your keywords in your niche, you're gonna win. It's that simple. So important that you understand that simple does sell. Having a good quality design does help too as well, but simple does sell. So as you grow and stuff like that, understanding the algorithm, one of the most important things when starting out on Merch by Amazon, learning the algorithm and leveraging that to the best of your ability is going to help you grow faster. Trust me. So at the end of this video, understanding your audience and stuff like that is very big. Now, if let's say you have an audience already, right? This leveraging that, or if you know somebody that wants shirts to help you get out of these lower tiers, is really big, because you can leverage that to your advantage. And most people think that you have to do ads and all that stuff, but if you created if you have outside traffic, you have your own audience already, that can help you tier up, right? Or if you have a family member that you want to make t-shirts for, remember, check all your trademarks and all that stuff. Make sure you're cleared, okay? You want to make sure that first and foremost, you want to double check that too. That's very important. But if you have a family member that wants a birthday shirt, right? And then 10 kids want the same shirt, it's big right there, because you can leverage that too as well to help you get out of the lower tiers. You leveraging who you know to help you get the sales volume on your account to help you tier up is really big too as well. So that is something that you can take and leverage and take advantage of, okay? So thinking outside the box, making shirts for kids at school, whatever, basketball, any organization doing anything like that can help you get out of the lower tiers too as well. Now, I know there's this kind of like a new routine of people leveraging Facebook groups, right, to drive traffic to certain shirts, right? You see someone say like a funny saying or a new saying that's up and coming, and you can leverage that, join any of like these, like any business groups or any big corporation groups or anything. Like I say, you join like a Walmart group, right? And don't use anything like Walmart related, but if you can figure like a funny saying, okay, has no trademark or anything like that, and you can drive traffic to it or figure out something like, hey, check out my t-shirt right here, I have this, okay, but that's coming off too spammy, you can take advantage of that and start making sales that way too as well. So if you're in like a mom Facebook group and they're talking about something and you see a thread, just drop a link like, hey, check this out, I found it over here, this is what I bought, you know what I mean, this is where to purchase it. And you can do stuff like that, leveraging stuff like that to help you get out of the lower tiers to make those sales, or even just diving into a new niche, right? You can see how powerful that is in getting that first sale. It's big, okay? So there's a lot you can do right there, in even leveraging this long term will help you make sales in a new niche. Very big. Now with branding, right? Now people come onto the platform and they're like, want to build a brand and stuff like that. And that's the main goal too as well. So you can actually just leverage Amazon to help you build your brand now if you do this the correct way. Now you can see that there's branded clothing shops where they have their storefront and stuff like that on the landing page on Amazon, and that's really cool too as well. So you can do that later on as you start growing and stuff, or even if as soon as you start off, I recommend it too. Just start off growing your brand on Amazon and leveraging it in a way to help you grow your Shopify store, your own personal website, stuff like that. It's huge. So this is a big opportunity, right? And this is what I always recommend: leverage merch by Amazon, and then take that money and then help you grow your own brand and create your own audience and stuff like that. So when you come out with a new shirt, you make your sales without even using Amazon.com. You use your own website because you built a brand, right? You built an audience and you know how to promote to them, right? I've seen big brands where they just use like 2 words on a shirt and it crushes it, right? So it's literally that simple. Just don't overthink it. And I hope you get an understanding of what you need to do to help you grow your business. If you have any questions, please comment down below and watch these videos.